How to reset team on FPL. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset team on FPL. If you want to reset your Fantasy Premium League team, then you need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar, you need to type fantasy.premierleague.com. Once I've entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of FPL. Here, once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your FPL account. And once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here from this interface, you need to click on this transfers option. Click on this transfer button. And now here at the bottom, you will find your team. From this team, if you want to remove anyone, you need to click on this cross button at the top left of each of these members. Once you do so, they will be removed. And if you want to reset your team completely, you may need to manually remove players and replace them with the new ones. For that, you can click on this cross button at the top left of each of these members and they will be removed. Also, you can remove them by clicking on the player and then from there you can click on this remove player. You need to do this manually to remove all of them. And if you want to add a new one, you need to click on this empty post. And then from the window, you need to click on this select replacement. Once you do that, at the right side, you will find different defender players from where you can select one of them. Once you find the one that you would like to add, you need to click on their profile. And here in this pop-up window, you need to click on this add player. Now once doing that, it will be added to your team. After making your changes, ensure to save your team before the game deadline. So by following these steps, you should be able to reset your team on FPL. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.